After my client said, "Let's go ahead," I drove straight to Electrosales in town. Luckily, the D6 Smart Centurion gate motor was available in stock. My client asked me to meet him at Thailand Carpet Center to collect the deposit. Without wasting time, I met him. I drove back to Electrosales to purchase the D6 Smart Plus gate motor. From there, I went to New Parklands to carry out the installation. Job complete. D6 Smart Plus Centurion gate motor installed and operational.